If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to see two types of zigzag stitch. I am making a lines for zigzag stitch. So on top of chain we are going to do the zigzag stitch first. Take silk thread double thread, chain on both the sides. Have to give very close to the chain, bottom chain. So after giving the chain, immediate turn you have to give, then only you will get the perfect finishing. This is type 1. This is mainly used for the cut works, but using Zaree we will do the stitch for cut work. Make a knot in the end. Now type 2, double thread, long chain, small chain and again turn, long chain, small chain. So small chain will give you the perfect finishing in the corner, so we are giving small chain. Long, small. Make a knot in the end. This is a zigzag stitch. I am just showing some variation in this. Mark the midpoint of the arrows. Take double thread different color and make a zigzag stitch in the opposite way. Make a knot in the end and complete. So two types are completed. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.